What is Dubai Invite program for UAE residents? Bring your loved ones on visit visa to the city you call home, Dubai, before the 31st of October and unlock exclusive benefits from Dubai's best hotels, restaurants, and attractions. Go to the website. Link is available in description. https://www.visitdubai.com/. Page will open like this. Click on Nominate Now. Step number 1. Eligibility check. Enter your Emirates ID number, date of birth, gender, and email address. Accept the conditions by selecting them and then verify. Once eligibility checked, select the month in which you want to invite the visitors. Then enter the details of the visitor. Once details entered, submit the nomination or enter another visitor details. Press Continue. You will see confirmation message like this. Also, you will receive the confirmation email. To view rewards details, click on View All Rewards. Reward number 1. Hotels. You will get rewards in form of hotel discount vouchers. Reward number 2. Attractions. You will get rewards in form of Dubai Attractions discount vouchers. Reward number 3. Dining. You will get rewards in form of dining restaurants discount vouchers. Reward number 4. Services. You will get rewards in form of taxi service discount vouchers. Avail this offer from Dubai government to enjoy the reward up to 3,000 dirhams per person. Thanks for watching the video. PLZ, like, comment, and subscribe the channel, and share the video. Comment if you want any informative video related to Dubai.